Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Dear students, thanks for choose Milestone College. I welcome you behalf of Milestone College. You know, Milestone College contribute in a proper guideline how to prepare yourself for higher education and establish yourself as a worthy citizen of the country. Dear students, you know in mid March, all educational institutes in Bangladesh were declared closed to prevent the spread of COVID 19 among the students. Since then, uncertainty prevails in our educational sector. In this situation, Milestone College conducting online classes in order to remain connected. Milestone College arranged live class and recorded video class, which can facilitate teacher and students interaction. Dear students, coronavirus has spread in the form of epidemic in different countries of the world, including Bangladesh. Many people are recovering as well as being infected. Coronavirus antidote discovery and trials are underway in different countries of the world, including Bangladesh. Until then, the rules and regulations given by the WHO must be followed. Wash your hand, avoid touch eyes, nose and mouth, cover your cough with elbow or tissue, avoid crowded places, seek medical care, stay aware of latest information. If we work together, we will overcome the difficult situation. Inshallah, we will. Welcome to our online video class. Hope all of you enjoyed a lot. This is Shahnaz Parveen, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. Today, our first class. You have learned a lot from your biology book in class 9 and 10. From today, you will know those things elaborately. You know, biology has two parts. Biology first part or botany, biology second part or zoology. I discuss the contents of biology first parts. There are 12 chapters in your biology first part book. Today, I will discuss chapter 1, cell and its structure. The topic is cell. We learn about cells. In these topics, we learn definition of cell, characteristics of cell, different organelles of cell, and difference between different types of cells. At the end of this class, you will be able to define cells. You will be able to define the types of cells or describe the types of cells. You will be able to say the organelles of the cells. You will be able to identify different parts by drawing. Here are some questions you have to learn from this topic. Knowledge-based questions are cell, eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, somatic and reproductive cell, and unit membrane. The comprehensive based questions are difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, somatic and reproductive cell, plant and animal cell. So, what is cell? Cell is a Latin word from cella meaning small room. Is the basic structural, functional and biological unit of all known living organisms. Cells are the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently and are often called the building blocks of life. The study of cells is called cell biology. Chemical reactions in the cell keeps us alive. Discovery of cell. The scientists who have contributed to the discovery of the cells. They are Hans and Zacharias Janssen, Robert Hooke, Matthias Sladen, Theodore Schwann, and Robert Brown. In 1665, English scientist Robert Hooke discovered cells while looking at a thin slice of cork. He described the cells as teeny boxes or a honeycomb. He thought that cells only existed in plants and fungi. In this slide, you can see a picture which is observed by Robert Hooke. It's a microscopic view of cell. Cell theory. German botanist Schleiden and Swan introduced cytology. According to them, cell is the structural and functional unit of the organism. Cells are the basic unit of life. Cell is the unit of heredity. All cells originate through the division of the former cell. Modern cell theory. It contains 4 statements in addition to the original cell theory. The cell contains hereditary information which is passed on from cell to cell during cell division. All cells are basically the same in chemical composition and metabolic activities. All basic chemical and physiological functions are carried out inside the cells. That means movement or digestion, etc. Cell activity depends on the activities of subcellular structure within the cell. Characteristics of cell. Sensing and responding to changes in surroundings environment. Control exchange of materials between cell and its surroundings environment. Obtain nutrients and oxygen from surroundings environment. Eliminate carbon dioxide and other wastes to surrounding environment. Perform chemical reactions that provide energy for the cell. Synthesize needed cellular components. In this slide, you can see some example of cells such as amoeba, plant cell, bacteria, nerve cell, red blood cell, etc. Cell size and shape. The shapes of cells are quite varied, with some such as neurons. These neurons being longer than they are wide, and others such as erythrocytes, that means red blood cells, being equidimensional. Cell shape varies depending both on function and surface area requirements. Plasma membrane models or unit membrane model, which is given by Robertson. According to Robertson, outer layer of protein with phospholipid bilayer inside, believed all cells same composition, does not explain how some molecules pass through or the use of proteins with nonpolar parts, used transmission electron microscopy. The cell membrane generally appears to have 3 layers, 2 dense layers of protein and a clear middle layer of lipid bilayer. Clear layer correspondent to the hydrocarbon chains of lipids and dense layers to the proteins. On the basis, Robertson called it unit membrane model, a unit of these 3 layers. Proteins found in plasma membrane are generally globular proteins. It does not explain how some molecules pass through it. So, according to Robertson, chemically plasma membrane consists of 3 layers. These are protein, lipid, protein. So, it can be said that the membrane of all those cells made with PLP, that means protein, lipid, protein, are called unit membrane. In this slide, you can see the round shape head, which is made of phosphate, and tail, which is made of lipid. Lipid tail stands face to face and protein head are in the opposite direction. Classification of cells. First, based on the structure of the nucleus, the cells are 2 types, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Prokaryotes has no nucleus, but eukaryotes has a nucleus. Prokaryotes are very small, but eukaryotic cells are larger. Prokaryotic no membrane bound organelles, but eukaryotes has membrane bound organelles. Prokaryotes examples are bacteria, eukaryotic examples are plants and animal cells. In this slide, you can see the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. You have to learn this difference. Go to the next slide. On the basis of physiological work, the cells are two types, somatic cells and germ cells. Somatic cells are body cells, germ cells are reproductive organs that develop into gametes. Somatic cells contain the diploid chromosome number, but the gametic cells contain the haploid chromosome number. Somatic cells produced through mitosis, gametic cells produced through meiosis. In this slide, you can see the difference between somatic cells and germ cells. You have to learn this difference. On the basis of presence in the organism, the cells are two types, plant cell and animal cell. In this slide, you can see the animal cell, some organelles, you can see the animal cells such as cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, Golgi vesicles, nucleus, lysosome, ribosome, microtubules, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, vacuole, centriole, pinocytic vesicle, and cytoplasm. In this slide, you can see the plant cell. The plant cell organelles are Golgi vesicle, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, cytoskeleton, cell wall, peroxisome, Golgi apparatus, plasmodesmata, central vacuole, chloroplast, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and cell membrane. In this slide, you can see the difference between plant cell and animal cell. You have to learn this difference. Hope all of you understood today's lecture. If you have any questions, ask your subjective teacher. I want to give you homework. Draw a level diagram of a plant cell and submit SW copy your WhatsApp group section. Thank you so much for your attention and being with me. For today, that's all from my side. Stay home, stay safe and save a life. See you in the next class. Until then, Allah Hafiz.